I'm going to show you how to replace the diaphragms in a bubbler air pump. It's pretty simple. Take it out of the enclosure, flip it over on its back. You're going to need a few tools. Number 2 Phillips, small straight slot screwdriver, pair of pliers, your replacement diaphragms, and I like to have a cup to put the tools in, or put the little parts in. First thing you do is remove the 4 screws in the back of the unit. This will allow you to remove the rubber base. It's just an anti-vibration pad. A lot of them will have 4 tabs. That goes over the pump body, not the transformer. Inside you can see the transformer magnets. The blue diaphragms are silicone diaphragms, and we're going to change the silicone out with a Viton. First thing you do is look inside, and there is a rubber pivot bushing, and you need to take your pliers, pop that out of each side. Next thing we're going to do is take our screwdriver and put it in between the base of the air pump and the rubber diaphragm, or silicone diaphragm in this case, and we'll pull it out. There's one. There's 2. And this is the reason these guys went bad. See the tear? That's what happens when they get old. And that's why we're replacing the silicone with the Viton. The new ones going the same way, but in reverse order. They pop into place over the pump body. I use the flat blade screwdriver to help me push it in around the lip that's on the pump cylinder. Okay, once that's in, I'll take the pliers and I'll put the little rubber bushing back in its slot for both sides. Just make sure they're in all the way. And there you go. They're in and on. They're tight and secure against the pump body. So take a close look around all the edges to make sure they're completely sealed. Then we just put the rubber base back on, put the 4 screws back on, and they don't need to go on real tight. They will dig into the rubber just a little bit, and the rubber will keep the screws from backing out. Now you'd want to plug it in and test it, check for bubbles again, but that's all you have to do.